After arresting Shoaib Chakrabarti and Samuel Miranda, Rhea Chakrabarti is likely to be grilled by the Narcotics Bureau team at about 10:30 this morning. Around 8:10 is when the Narcotics Bureau team summoned Rhea Chakrabarti to join the investigation. This is the probe into the drug link in the Sushant Singh Rajput death case. Now, Mumbai NCB chief Sameer Wankhede served the summon to Rhea. Rhea was given the option of coming on her own or accompanying the NCB team. This after Sushant's house head Dipesh Sawant and former house manager Samuel Miranda testified against Rhea, claiming that they got drugs at her behest. India Today has accessed the line of questioning to Rhea. NCB is likely to ask her on whether, along with procuring drugs, she was also consuming these drugs. Apart from that, she'll also be grilled on where she got these drugs from and why she didn't stop Sushant from taking these drugs. The NCB will also probe from who all Rhea was getting drugs. The NCB is expected to confront Rhea with her brother Shoaib on the drug charges. Rhea has been accused of purchase, of possession, sale, consumption, transportation and the usage of banned drugs. Let's take this across to our reporters on the ground for all the latest updates that you need to know on the story. We have Pankaj Upadhyay, who is getting us all the latest updates from outside Rhea Chakrabarti's residence. Divyesh Singh tracking the updates from outside the NCB office. Pankaj, to you first. We're hearing that Rhea Chakrabarti will be appearing before the NCB officials at about 10:30.
Yes, if that were to happen, as I was mentioning, it's going to take not more than 40 minutes for Rhea Chakrabarti from her place to reach the Narcotics Control Bureau headquarters in South Mumbai. I'm also tracking the movement of the NCB vehicles, and here, interestingly, on my phone, Sameer will try and zoom in a bit. Now, the blue dot that you are seeing here, now this is the Narcotics Control Bureau team. They are somewhere around Santa Cruz West, and this is the exact place that they would have to reach. So they are not very far. We do not know whether they are reaching out to this very place, that is Rhea's residence, because if that were to happen, it would be a clear indication that yes, they are here to take Rhea Chakrabarti or be with Rhea Chakrabarti. We do not know. I'm not concluding anything from this, but as I said, I'm just keeping a close tab, and this is an indicator that the NCB officials, their vehicle is not very far from Rhea Chakrabarti's place. Additionally, it's a Sunday, so there isn't much traffic as well on the streets, but this is an interesting development and I'm going to keep a track on this. Now, secondly, I'm looking at various places from where I can give the viewers a better angle as to what's happening on ground zero. We showed you the visuals from the main gate. I went to another place to show you what was happening, wherein we could see the Chakrabarti's residence and the car parking as well. Now I'll ask my camera person, Sameer Shanbag, to let's try and go back to the back gate and show you if there is anything interesting that is taking place, because mind you, if the first movement that is going to take place will be from the car parking itself. Okay, Akshita, there is a development here. Sameer, try and zoom in at that car at the extreme end. This grey color car that you're seeing, this Jeep that you are seeing, this is the car that belongs to the Chakrabartis, and often we have seen Rhea Chakrabarti coming out to the various agency headquarters in this very vehicle. So now we've got a clear visual from the back gate, and if at all there is any movement, we'll be keeping the viewers apprised. You'll get it first here only on India Today TV. And Akshita, as you were rightly mentioning, since the morning hours, there have been very interesting developments that have taken place. As many had been saying, will Rhea Chakrabarti be summoned and questioned? And yes, now that has indeed come out to be true. Rhea Chakrabarti has already been issued the summons by the senior official of the Narcotics Control Bureau. Sameer Wankhede, the senior official of the NCB, was here himself along with certain lady police officers, and they have served notice to Rhea Chakrabarti, and now it is a matter of time that Rhea Chakrabarti will be getting out of her house and heading towards the Narcotics Control Bureau place in South Mumbai. It remains to be seen as to what the ground preparedness of the Chakrabartis is. At the same time, it also remains to be seen as to what sort of a groundwork has the Narcotics Control Bureau has done. Because if Riya Chakrabarti is at this point of time is turning out to be the real big link in this entire racket, then the Narcotics Control Bureau, in order to seek her custody, will have to show solid grounds. Mere WhatsApp chats that they have retrieved from her phone and the statements perhaps will not be enough. They will have to come out with more evidence. But with the little talks that I have had last evening with some of my sources in the Narcotics Control Bureau, and they are saying that they will not be revealing much, but they already have a lot of evidence at hand that includes not just the statements of the arrested people, which includes Zaid, Basit, Samuel Miranda, Dipesh Sawant, and Souvik Chakrabarti, her brother, also accepting that he procured drugs at her BS. But they are saying that they have got much more. What is this much more? We do not know. That is obviously going to become clear in front of the court as well. But right now, the center of attention remains Riya Chakrabarti's place. We are at the back door. This is the car, perhaps in all likelihood, which she would be taking. And as and when that happens, we will keep the viewers apprised.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.